Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Summarizing the activities on the case form is a feature that's had a tremendous benefit to the businesses using Dynamics 365. But how can you summarize fields, activities, or other relationships on any table? Can you even summarize activities on an account or an opportunity or any other custom table for that matter? Stay tuned and I will show you how. This is the Late Night with Danijel show. As almost usual by now, we start off by going to Customer Service Admin Center, scrolling down to the agent experience and picking the productivity and then hitting summaries this time. And here you see a new section called Custom Record Summaries. So I have already added the account record summary here, and we can try to edit it to see what I've done. So you see here you have to pick a record type. I picked account. And then you need to tell Copilot what this record is all about so that it can know and give better responses once you try to summarize on this record. Then I've also added related data to account that I want to grab and have part of my account summary. Here you see I picked, from account I picked the account name, and then I also picked related activities to the account, and I want to pick up the subject and description from these. So then once ready I hit save and close. And let's quickly check out what this looks like, the end result, so you know what we're trying to achieve today. If we go to field service, for example, you see I've added my account summary here on this form. And by expanding it, it will try to summarize on all these activities here. The record for the account name test includes 2 activities. Initially, the customer was called during which they expressed anger towards the agent. Subsequently, the agent took action to mitigate the customer's portfolio by addressing and fixing the exposed risks. And you see, this is also what I wrote in these activities. They were mad at me. So how about we try to set up a brand new summary? We can maybe pick opportunity this time. So we go back to our Customer Service Admin Center once again. We go to the productivity pane. We know this by now. Manage. And let's add a new summary. We can call it the opportunity summary. We try to find our record type here, opportunity. It's not the easiest. There we go. And as I mentioned before, we need to explain to Copilot what this record does. Something like that. I just freestyled this time. Don't kill me for that. Let's go on. We want to have some data that will be part of this summary then. So we can have something from the opportunity table, say this, and we can pick, what do we want to pick? Let's say status maybe. Sales stage, that's good enough. Let's go with that one. Describes what stage in the sales process the opportunity is. So we need to give these descriptions once again in order so that Copilot can give better responses and understands what it's trying to achieve here. Let's have a one-to-many here, and we can pick some relationship here that we want to get the data from. Maybe we want to have activities once again, right? Or what do you think? I personally think this one makes the most sense. Usually we want to have some sort of summary on the activities. Let's go for that one again. And we are picking, once again, the subject, title, subject of the activity performed on the opportunity. And let's pick one more. Take description. Okay, we feel ready, so we can hit save and close. Sweet, a new custom record summary has been added. Now, we have created the actual record summary, but now we need to go to the opportunity form, in this case, and set this up so that we actually get this record summary widget on the form when we load the form page. Let's go do that. So we are on the opportunity form, and we want to set up this Copilot custom summary widget. So we need to have some text field where we can hook this summary up on. So let's add, for example, a pipeline phase here. So we have added a pipeline phase field, and now we need to add a component to this field called Copilot case and custom record summary control. So in here, it's important to pick the opportunity ID column. It's this one, opportunity ID. This one you will pass with, because that's the record ID of the opportunity. And in the setting ID, we need to bind this to our Copilot record that we created before. So let's head back to that one, which I think I had, let's see here. This ID is what we need to paste there. So let's copy it and go into this one and paste it here and press done. Next, we need to hook this up so that on load we fire this summary event. So we go to opportunity here, we go to events, on load we press add new event handler. Let's find the library called MSD Copilot case summary library. And if you don't have it here, you can also add it by searching for it here. So we have added that, and then you need to call this function called set visibility of case summary. And don't you worry, there is a documentation on this that I will provide in the description of the video. So we're calling this method on load, we're passing the execution context, and we also need to pass here the name of the field that we are hooking this up to. So it's pipeline phase. Like this, save and publish. It's saved and published. And we're going over to the opportunities form in Sales Hub. I'll go to opportunities. I pick my test opportunity that I created. And you see the widget that was already loaded onto this field that we added. And if we just, before we try to execute the summary, if we just check on the activities we have a visit to the customer. I called the customer, tried to sell some insurances, customer agreed on having an appointment, sign insurance, and test call. So let's see what it gives me in terms of summary. And here you see the summary. The record details a series of activities related to an opportunity for selling insurance. Initially, there was a visit to the customer, followed by a call where the customer agreed on an appointment after discussing insurance options. A subsequent call was made to remind the customer about using the insurance. And the latest activity recorded is a test call, indicating ongoing engagement with the customer regarding the insurance opportunity. Okay, yeah, so it's working fairly well, and an extremely useful feature that I think a lot of businesses and a lot of users will have great benefits from using and leveraging, especially in these situations where they have a lot of activities and back and forth with the customer, and you don't have the time to go through each and every email or each and every task, note, whatever you have. And this is a perfect way to get a quick summary of that record and get up to speed. So this was a short one. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this new format, and I will try to keep on developing it and making it even better for you guys and gals. Thank you for watching, and see you next week, I hope. Bye bye.